So do you also receive a lot of leads through IndiaMART and want to connect with your lead instantly? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads or inquiries for electronic system design and manufacturing. So I'm an owner of a business and I receive a lot of leads through IndiaMART. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive new inquiry or lead through my IndiaMART account, then automatically and instantly an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to my lead through WhatsApp by SNC. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my IndiaMART account with my WhatsApp by SNC account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as a business in electronic system design and manufacturing, I receive several inquiries from IndiaMART daily, and now responding quickly to these leads is critical to stand out from competitors and build trust with potential customers. So by automating WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads, I can instantly send them a personalized response with details about my services, brochures, or even a follow-up question. This saves me time, ensures timely communication, and helps me stay engaged with prospects, improving my chances of converting inquiries into actual clients. It's a simple way to deliver excellent customer service and grow my business efficiently. So here I've already built an automation where I've connected my IndiaMART seller account with my WhatsApp by SNC account using an automation software. And now firstly here in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing automation that I've already built by simply making a query submission from my IndiaMART buyer's account. So for that, let me take you to my IndiaMART buyer's account. So this is my IndiaMART buyer's account and I have created this account with the name test lead. So here let's suppose that this is the product that I'm selling over here. So I'm going to click on this contact supplier and then I'm going to click on this next, and here I'm going to post my query that says, hi, I'm looking for a custom electronic system for a new industrial automation project. Can you share more details about your design and manufacturing capabilities, lead times and pricing? Also, do you offer prototyping services? Please let me know. Thanks. So this is the query that I'm going to post. So here I'm going to click on this next, then submit, and here you can see it says thank you for posting requirement. That means we have successfully submitted a query over here. So now let's go and check that whether we have received a WhatsApp message on our phone number or not. And here you can see we have received a successful WhatsApp message which says, hello test lead, thank you for your inquiry on IndiaMART. We appreciate your interest in our business. For more information, you can view our catalog here. Feel free to reply to this message. If you have any questions or would like to place an order, we are here to assist you. Thank you. Best regards. So this is an automated WhatsApp message that you can see that I have received as soon as I have submitted a new query on my IndiaMART seller account. And here you can see that I have received this message as a personalized message with my name. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this automation. Now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this automation by simply connecting your IndiaMART seller account with your WhatsApp by SNC account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/ina/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So I'm going to give the name as send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads or inquiries for electronic system design and manufacturing. So here I've given a name to my workflow, and then here it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as IndiaMART, as I'm receiving new leads through IndiaMART. So IndiaMART is an online marketplace that connects buyers and sellers primarily for business and industrial products. It's like a massive digital directory where businesses can find suppliers for everything from machinery to office supplies. So here in my IndiaMART trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new leads, so that whenever we are going to receive new leads through IndiaMART, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here, after selecting my trigger event, you can see I have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my IndiaMART account with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my IndiaMART seller account. So this is the dashboard of my IndiaMART seller account. And from here I'm going to click on this lead manager given in the left side bar. And here under lead manager, I'm going to click on this menu, and from menu I'm going to select import export leads. Now here under import export leads, I'm going to select push API. And here under push API integration, you can see it is asking me to select the source. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the sources available. So here I'm going to select my source as other, and then here it is asking me to give a name to my CRM. So here for the CRM platform name, I'm going to give the name as Pabbly Connect, and then here it is asking me for the webhook listener URL. So here in this webhook listener URL field, I need to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is the webhook URL, and then here I'm going to click on the save details. And now here for the API activation, it is asking me to select the reason that why I want to transfer my IndiaMART leads to any other CRM. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see some random reasons available. So here I'm going to select a random reason that says I feel that I can permanently save the leads from IndiaMART and view later. So this is the particular reason, and then I'm going to click on this click to generate OTP. And then here it is asking me to enter the OTP that I've received on my phone. So I'm going to enter the OTP. So here I've successfully entered the OTP, and now I'm going to click on this submit given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. That means we have successfully set up a webhook inside our IndiaMART account, or you can say we have successfully connected our IndiaMART account with Pabbly Connect. And now here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our IndiaMART seller account. So now here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to my IndiaMART seller account. And here in my IndiaMART account, I'm going to click on this test your webhook listener URL button given over here. So by clicking on this particular option available over here, I'm going to generate a test lead for my IndiaMART account, or you can say I'm going to generate a test response and send that response on this particular webhook URL so that I can set up this automation further. So I'm going to click it over here, and from here I'm going to click on this test. And here you can see we have received the curl request header. That means we have successfully generated a test response for our IndiaMART account. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the status as success. Here you can see the unique query ID and the response subject as requirement for empty mineral water bottle. So here we have received the requirement for empty mineral water bottle and not any electronic system design product. That is because this is the test response that we have generated to set up this automation. But if you are receiving live leads from your IndiaMART account, then you will receive this response accordingly. So now here we are going to check the further response. So here you can see the sender state, pin code, phone number, name, mobile number, scrolling little down. Here you can see the sender's email address, country code, company, city, address, scrolling little more down. And lastly, here you can see the product name, that is mineral water bottle, and the query message as I want to purchase an empty mineral water bottle. Kindly send me price and other details. Quantity piece, probable order value, and probable requirement type. So again here I'm telling you that we have generated, but if you are receiving live leads in your IndiaMART account, then you will receive this response accordingly. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received new leads through IndiaMART, then automatically and instantly, I want to send them automated WhatsApp message through WhatsApp by AI Sensei. So for that, I need to connect my WhatsApp by AI Sensei account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So I'm going to select my action application as AI Sensei. So WhatsApp by AI Sensei is a tool that enhances WhatsApp messaging for businesses by adding features like automated replies, bulk messaging, and customer support. So here in my WhatsApp by AI Sensei action step, I'm going to select my action event as send template message. So that whenever we are going to receive new leads through IndiaMART, then automatically using a template message, an automated WhatsApp message is going to be sent to my lead through WhatsApp by AI Sensei. So now here to connect WhatsApp by AI Sensei with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your WhatsApp by AI Sensei account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me for the API key. So I'm following the instructions given below. Here I've already logged in my WhatsApp by AI Sensei account. And from here I'm going to click on this manage given the left side bar. And here under manage you can see we have received the option for API key. So I'm going to select it. And here you can see we have received the API key. So I'm going to copy it, but if you wish, then you can regenerate the key and then copy it. So now moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the API key, and now here after entering the API key, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the campaign name. So here in the help text it says enter the name of the campaign that has to be sent to the user. It is to be noted that the status of the campaign should be live. That means here in this campaign name field, I need to enter the name of the campaign that I have created for the message template that I'm going to use over here to send an automated WhatsApp message to my IndiaMART leads. So now here to get this campaign name, let me take you back to my WhatsApp by AI Sensei account. And from here I'm going to click on this campaigns given the left side bar, and here under campaigns you can see all the campaigns that I've already launched over here. So here in this particular case I'm going to use my campaign with the name IndiaMART Enquiries message. So this is my campaign. Here you can see the status of my campaign is live, and here you can see the message template which says hello one, thank you for your inquiry on IndiaMART. We appreciate your interest in our business. For more information you can view our catalog here. Feel free to reply to this message if you have any questions or would like to place an order. We are here to assist you. Thank you. Best regards. So this is my message template, and here you can see I've used a variable in the place of name over here. That is because here I want that whenever I'm going to receive new leads through my IndiaMART account, then automatically this previously existing detail should be updated with the new one. Variables makes our text dynamic, and you can add multiple variables in your message. So this is the message template, and with this we have successfully seen the campaign. So I'm going to copy this campaign name given over here. Moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the campaign name. So this is my campaign name, and then here it is asking me for the mobile number. So here in this mobile number field, I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this automated WhatsApp message. So now here instead of entering the number manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new leads through IndiaMART, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map the mobile number. So I'm going to search for the mobile number over here. So this is my leads mobile number. So I'm going to map it. Moving forward, here for the username it says enter the name of the user to whom the campaign has to be sent. So I need to enter my lead's name. So I'm going to search for my lead's name. So this is my lead's name. So I'm going to map it. Moving forward, here the source and tags are not a required field. So here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add the source and tags, then you can do it as per your need. And then here it is asking me for the template parameter. So here in this template parameter field, I need to enter the value of my variable that I have used in my template. So I've already shown you that I have used a single variable in my template, and that is for the lead's name. So I'm going to map my lead's name again. So I'm going to search for my lead's name. So this is my lead's name. So I'm going to map it. Moving forward, again this attributes URL and file name are not a required field. So here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. But here, before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message over here. So here I've successfully entered my own phone number, and now here I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the success as true and the submitted message ID. That means we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message on our phone number. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully received a new WhatsApp message with the name Hello Prabhat. Here you can see the same message body over here that says thank you for inquiry on IndiaMART. We appreciate your interest in our business. For more information, you can view our catalog here. Feel free to reply to this message. If you have any questions or would like to place an order, we are here to assist you. Thank you. Best regards. So this is the same message template that we have used, and here you can see a personalized name. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as IndiaMART and our action as WhatsApp by AI Sensi, so that whenever we are going to receive new leads through IndiaMART, then automatically and instantly an automated WhatsApp message is going to be sent to our lead using a template message through WhatsApp by AI Sensi. Okay, so these were the steps to how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads or inquiries for electronic system design and manufacturing. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.